and welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, hi, my name is Jazz. I love DIYs, home decor projects, organization, shop with me, and I love to be ready for every single season. So I'm going to be doing some clean with me because I would love to be an inspiration for you to get ready for the holidays in this season, and I'm really excited. So if you are into that, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and leave a comment saying hi. Now let's get started. I'm really extra excited for today's video because I'm finally back on YouTube, and it took me a long time, but I'm here and I'm really excited. I have everything scheduled for this whole season from now through December. Hopefully I'm gonna be doing videos every single week. I have the whole plan and the whole schedule set up, so I'm really excited. But first things first, we need to get into the vibe, into the Christmas period, and I really want to do a shop with me video so that I can take some inspiration from these stores, see what they have, what colors are super trendy this year, and take some inspiration to decorate my home. So I want to take you guys along with me. We're going to be shopping at my local store. I believe they have a website and an app, so I'm gonna make sure that leave the link in the description box just in case. But this video is for you guys to take some inspiration on how you can display things on your home. They have a few things that are pretty on a budget, but they have other ones that are a little bit expensive. So I think we can take the whole idea and try to DIY them. So let me know in the comments if you see one of these pieces that you think we can DIY together. I would love to do that too. Now let's have fun and shop together. Are you ready? Let's get started. I'm gonna be shopping at my local store, Me Salvé, and I'm really excited because my idea was to get some inspiration on some Christmas decor that I can use this year, that I can buy, or maybe that I can DIY. So I'm gonna be keeping an eye on things that I can do myself, but also things that I can shop because of the good price that they have. So as you can see, they have like the neutral colors, red, white, and green. They have a lot of that decoration, but they also have like the biggest selection on the gingerbread theme. So if you are looking for that type of decoration, you can take some inspiration from this video because they have the cutest stuff. They have all of the gingerbread houses and things like that, and they also have like a pretty big area on pastel colors. They have like all of these gingerbread theme in pastel colors, and they have things that you can use maybe for a nursery. Oh my god, I was so excited when I saw all of this. I think they have the most beautiful, simple and cute pieces that you can use for your children's rooms, and I was very impressed by this. This is like all new collection because I was shopping last year here and they didn't have like this big area at all. I was so in love when I found this concrete nutcracker. It's pretty big. The price isn't that bad, but I think I can DIY this myself. If you have an idea on how I can do it, let me know that in the comments. I'm gonna be taking some notes. Now let's move outdoors. They have a pretty big selection on lightnings and pretty big Christmas trees that you can use to decorate outdoors. As you can see, they are huge pieces. I think my main goal every year is to decorate the inside of my house. I don't decorate a lot outdoors, but if you are a huge fan on Christmas decoration for outdoors, they have a pretty big selection here, and maybe you can take some inspiration and ideas on how you can display everything. But something that I really like to change every single year are these outdoor rugs. I always put one for Christmas, or I DIY them. I usually bought them from IKEA. They are pretty inexpensive, and then I can DIY or paint anything on top of the rugs, and it's pretty simple. Or you can use the rugs from Dollar Tree too. This year they have pretty cool designs on them, and I think one of my favorite ones was the simple one with the red bows all over the rug. Just like Dollar Tree, they have a pretty big selection on the solar lights. And one idea that I think you guys can do, get ones from the Dollar Tree store and then paint them red, maybe add some tape to make them look like a candy cane or something like that, and I think they're going to look pretty cute. They also have these battery operated candles. Oh my god, I was so excited about these. They are so cute. They have them in different shapes, like the small Christmas trees, the ornaments, the normal candle lights, and like some disco balls. They look so cute. And I think I'm going to get a few of this. If you want a cozy vibe for Christmas, you definitely need some candles, so throw blankets and pillows. And they have these beautiful throw pillows in different shapes, and I think my favorite one is this neutral Christmas tree shape that they have. Now moving on to your Christmas tree, they have like these fluffy bows that you can use on the top of your Christmas tree, but they have a really big one in like a velvet texture that I think is perfect to put maybe on like a kid's bed or something like that. I think it will look very cute. For the bottom part of your Christmas tree, you can use maybe some blankets, or they have these really cute skirts in neutral colors. This one is my favorite, and the price is amazing, only $12.99, and I really like it. But I was absolutely in shock on the amount of Christmas tree colors that they have this year. Oh my god, I think they have over 40 different type of colors. It's crazy. They have very neutral ones, the traditional ones in red, green color, the square, very farmhouse style, but they also have really cute ones like the gingerbread houses and the drum balls. I was in shock when I saw all of these. I think my favorite one was a rattan scallop Christmas tree color that I saw. It's beautiful, and they are between $25 to $35. They're not that expensive, and the quality is amazing. If you like to put a nativity piece on your Christmas decor, they have really cute ones, very neutral, made out of wood. This is going to last forever, and the price isn't that bad. It's like a piece that you invest because you're going to keep this for a very long time, and they are pretty cute. I will say that they don't have a big selection on garlands. They have a really cute one that I like, but I think you can find better options maybe from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. They didn't have a big selection of ornaments this year. I don't know why, but I came to another store called Always 99. Actually, nothing is 99 cents, but anyways, they have so many ornaments this year. They have like the traditional colors, and then gold and silver and pastel colors that I think are very trendy this year. I have seen so many decor in pastel colors. But yeah, these are some of the ornaments that I think I like the most. They also have a pretty big selection on bells. They have them in all different sizes, and all of the colors are usually white, green, red, gold, and sometimes silver bells, but they have pretty big ones for less than $10. I think this is a piece that you can use year by year, and it's always going to look good in your home. Something that really impressed me too in this store is that they also have colors, but what blows my mind are the price. Only $12.99 for a beautiful wicker color. I mean, like, what? I was so excited, and of course I really have to get one, but what I didn't like is the color, so a DIY is coming soon, guys. So in this video, I shared two different stores, and I'm going to show you what I actually got. My favorite item for sure was this color. I mean, $12.99. This is amazing. It is the perfect size for my Christmas tree. It says Feliz Navidad here in Spanish. I don't like it, so I think I'm going to just turn around and use this part, but I'm actually not a big fan of the color, so I think we can do a DIY with this. Let's see, hopefully it's gonna turn out perfect for my Christmas tree. We're going to do that DIY on another video that I have planned for you guys. Now the next item that I have is this white shower curtain. It cost me only $7. I have a DIY on mine with these red bows that I got too. Yeah, that's my plan. I'm going to use these bows with the shower curtain. What else I got? I have some ornaments that I found, and I'm really excited because I have been looking for burgundy ornaments for about 3 years and I haven't found them, and finally this year I got them, and they are not just burgundy color, they have this velvet material, and I literally screamed when I saw this on store. But I got this from a different store. This is called Chinatown. This cost me, I think, $2.50, something like that, but yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. And I also got these bigger bows in burgundy color too. I think I'm going to be using them around my home, maybe on the Christmas tree. I'm not sure yet, so let's figure out that together. Okay guys, so for today's video I think that's all. I hope that you like it, that you can take some inspiration from this video. Thank you so much for the love and support. See you in the next one. Bye.